Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Metafields on your Shopify store. It's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So let's jump in. On the left hand side, you are going to go ahead and you're going to look for settings on the bottom of the page. Now once you've opened settings, you're going to scroll down from this menu over here and you're going to look for custom data. Now once you've opened custom data, you can see the Metafields definitions over here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a meta field for our products and specific products. So let's go into products here and you will see the add definition button. We can just tap on that. Over here we want to go ahead and give it a name. Okay, so let us go for care instructions. Now there are a few options that you can choose from over here, but what I'm going to do is just click out of that box, and I would like to create this meta field definition on my own. We're going to leave the namespace and key as is, and then we can just give it a description over here. So the description, again, we can say care instructions, and you can go ahead and select type. Now this over here there are a few options here, but we're going to keep it simple and select single line text, right? That just means that you're going to enter a single line of text. If you want to change it, you can have a product entered in there, date and time, a weight. There's a whole bunch of options, but we're going to keep it simple and jump into that single line text and tap on save on the top right hand side. Okay, so this has now been saved. You can see it over here. It is a single line text, that's the content type, and no products have been used with this yet. Now let's jump out of settings and we're going to go over to the left hand side on our menu and we're going to jump into products. Now we're going to select the product that we would like to assign this meta field to. So we're going to use this painting over here. It's a painting of a banana riding a bicycle, and we're going to go and scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see Metafields. Now just a quick note, if you do not have any Metafields created, which was done in the previous step, then this Metafield box will not actually become available. So what we want to do is tap on the care instructions, the ones that we just created now. And once you've tapped on it, over here you're going to type in what you would like as the information or the content when this is opened. So here we're going to say wash with boiling water. So once we're done, we're going to click out of that box and you can see over here we have the care instructions and then we have the actual instruction. All right, so wash with boiling water. At the bottom of your page on the right hand side, we're going to go ahead and tap on save. Now this will save the meta field being assigned to this specific product. Now what you will then have to do, if you want to assign this to multiple products, you can go ahead and do exactly that. Now I'm going to go ahead to our sales channel on the left hand side. I'm going to tap on the online store, and now we can actually assign this meta field to our interface. So we're going to tap on customize over here on the main part of the page. And over here, we're going to go in and let's just open it up as a desktop view. And on the left hand side, you will see all of your section settings. And what we're going to do at the top, we're going to tap on homepage. And this will bring up this menu, and we're going to tap on products and we're going to tap on default product. Now, what you can do is you can assign special sections to a product. So what's going to happen is if you enter a special field over here on this default product page, then that field will be visible on every single one of your products. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to customize this, and on the left hand side over here you can see there is an add block, and we're going to tap on that. Now once you tap on add block, you can go ahead and you can either use the collapsible row or the pop-up. We're going to use the collapsible row, and it is right over here. Now as you click on it, you will see on the left hand side you will have some options. Now if you're going to just do this and make it a generic option for all of your product pages, you can just go ahead and type in here what your instructions are. But that's not what we want to do. Over here where it says row content, on the right there is a connect dynamic source icon, and we're going to tap on this. From the very top option, you have the drop down menu, and here you want to tap on product. Okay, and here in the search bar, you want to start typing your heading. So it is care instructions, and we're going to tap on this. In the heading section, you can now enter whatever heading it is that you would like. So again, we are going to put in care instructions, and you can now also change the icon. Okay, so if you tap on there, we're going to go and have a look for an appropriate icon. All the way at the bottom there is washing. So let's have a look on the right hand side what it actually looks like. Over here you can see there is the washing icon, there is care instructions, and when you tap on the little drop down menu it says wash with boiling water. These are the care instructions. Now if you go ahead and you open a different product, it will not have this care instruction on it, this collapsible row, because this has been assigned specifically to this product. And the wonderful thing is you can go ahead and do this to each and every one of your products. You can make completely different meta fields and have that unique to a specific product. Once you're done, you're just going to go ahead and tap on save. If you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content to help you grow your Shopify business. I guess we'll see you on the other side. Peace.